Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to be doing a 5-panel painting for you today. These are art panels I got from Dollarama. They're 12 by 16 and I have them clamped together so it's actually 5 feet long. And I'm going to do multiple ring pours. My plan is to try to do like almost like a stone path, but it's going to be very colorful. I have a bunch of colors here. I kind of have a range from blue to green and then from oranges all the way to magenta and then some purples and yellows. And I kind of want to do like start at one side and have more of like blues and oranges and then transition throughout into and end up at like green and magenta and maybe some yellows in the middle. We'll see how this goes. I've never done this before, so it could be awesome, it could be terrible. We'll see. So these paints are all mixed as I normally mix them. It's 1 part glue, 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, half part Liquitex pour medium, and then a little bit of water to thin it out. And they're all by Mont. We'll get started. Okay, let's have a look before I take this apart. So see how my blues transition into green and magenta? Pretty nice, I like it. Okay, let's take this apart. Okay, so I have cups under all these supporting it. So I'm going to take these clamps off. Another video I did where I show you how I put the clamps on and set up for this, and I'll link that one too if you wanna watch it. All right, here it is dry. This color gradient worked really well. So we got these blues and oranges moving into turquoise, corals, and then we go bright green, magenta, purple. This looks awesome. Like a fairy tale stone path or something.